All right, sweetie. We'll take you to ride the roller coaster just as soon as my tour ends. But it's past your bedtime there, so say goodnight. Put Mommy on, okay?
Okay, good night, Daddy. I love you.
She's been talking about roller coasters non-stop since we got back.
Oh, I wish I could have been there.
Yeah, me too. I miss you, Jimmy. We both do.
I miss you too, baby.
Yeah.
Scientists from the Gentech Corporation are still struggling to identify the cause of the event commonly referred to as the second outbreak. Elite government troops known as Blackwatch have arrived at the scene.
I thought all that was over and done with, but now they're saying this virus thing started cropping up again. Jimmy, I'm worried here.
Hey, I need you to try and relax, all right? I'm gonna be home in a couple of weeks, and then maybe we'll go stay with your mom for a while, just till they get things sorted out.
A woman was killed last night in Central Park by what eyewitnesses described as a walking corpse. Gentech officials have verified that the assailant was infected with the Mercer virus, which was thought to have been eradicated last year.
Now every time I look out the window, I see Blackwatch troops. Jimmy, they closed Maya's school. I don't know if we should be here. They said, just stay put, don't go causing any panic.
Well, then just stay put and don't go causing any panic, all right? I'll be there tomorrow night. Then we'll take Maya and go see your mom. Okay, baby, if they got the situation contained, there's no reason to doubt them, right?
Government officials are now predicting Blackwatch will declare martial law in the city within the next 48 hours. We here at Eyewitness News urge you all, if you do not have to be in the city, to consider evacuating.
At no point have the violence and mayhem matched the unexplained viral surge of the last 72 hours. There have even been reported sightings of Alex Mercer, the man largely acknowledged as the cause of the catastrophic outbreak.
I'm sorry. I just feel so far away from you guys.
I miss you, Daddy.
I miss you too, baby girl. But don't worry. Daddy's coming home.
Ninja 3-3, this is Shogun. How copy? Ballista 1-1 is Oscar Mike. ETA 2 minutes. Maintain present course.
Why are we even here? We're supposed to be peacekeepers, handling civilians and shit. Give this red zone bullshit to fucking Blackwatch.
Shit. You want to leave a patrol mission up to those fucking baby killers? They just as soon blow this city to kingdom come.
Yeah, I heard that, man.
Caution, caution.
Shogun, this is Ninja 3-3.
Copy, 3-3. What's your squad status?
Verifying. Alex Mercer.
Alex Mercer? Oh, shit. Red Crown, we've got Alex Mercer in RZ Grid 3-4. Alex Mercer is in the AO. RZ Grid 3-4. We are awaiting your command.
Ninja 3-3, this is Red Crown. We're sending reinforcements to your location. Do not pursue Mercer. Repeat.
Red Crown, be advised. I'm not in fucking Blackwatch. What the? What else you got? The hell is this punk up to? What? You think I won't follow you in there?
Hello? Please help me! Oh, God, help me!
Sgt Heller, you are trespassing on Blackwatch territory. You are to hold your position. A personnel carrier is inbound.
Oh, shit! Okay. You done running? How's a virus make something like that? Get the fuck off of me! Bitch.
will, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me.
Why were you?
No man should have survived this. His system is flooded with the virus. Which is why you're going to run these experiments, Doctor.
And if you don't like the results, Colonel Rooks, then what?
Heller is Gentech property now. Things go sour, you burn the room.
Burn the... No, absolutely not. This specimen is priceless.
Colonel said burn it. That's what you're gonna do.
It's time to begin.
Something simple at first. Only a survival stimulus.
What? Where am I? What the fuck is this?
Let me out of here! You have what you need, Dr. Koenig? Colonel, please. We must learn all we can about the subject.
Hey, I can hear you! My God.
The raw data we're collecting here is like nothing I've ever seen before.
I'm gonna kill you when I get out of here. Hey! You hear me?
That's enough. He's too dangerous. Burn him. Rooks, you can't. He's far too valuable. You're out of order, Koenig. Lieutenant Riley, hit the switch. Yes, sir. Burial are given Parker Douglas Rooks 0223 hours. Get cleanup and recovery in there. Make sure he's dead. Damn you, Colonel, this is no place for your brand of barber. Don't get sanctimonious with me, you fucking ghoul. I've read your experiment reports.
No signs of life, sir.
Make sure I don't need another Mercer running around.
Yes, sir.
Shit! Shoot him! Damn it! Release those specimen groups! Do it now!
Oh, Jesus! Fuck! Get me out of here!
Incredible! It healed him.
Oh, shit. What the fuck did he do to me?
Riley, keep burning him! Gladly, sir. Heller, eat them! Eat them to survive! Shut the fuck up, Doc. All non-essential personnel evacuate. I need a perimeter defense on this building.
Roger, Colonel. Bravo 1-1 is Oscar Mike.
That's my cue to leave.
I'm gonna turn your ass to charcoal.
You're gonna pay for this.
Shit. Shit! The bird controls are dead. You guard that control room, Lieutenant. Oh, don't you worry. He's not getting out this way. Oh, shit. Okay. You fucking come up here. Come on!
What the hell is this?
It's what you're meant for. It's why I chose you.
What the fuck did you do to me?
I gave you the Mercer virus. That's what they call it, right? The same virus 2 years in a row. And the same Blackwatch, here to save New York. Wake up, Heller. This is no viral outbreak. This is a bioweapons test. Designed by Gentek. Controlled by Blackwatch. And blamed on me. This peon here is gonna prove it to you. James Heller, meet Blackwatch Lieutenant Mark Simon. Let it happen. Let it come to you. Let the truth sink in.
Mercer's interference with the New York detonation was bad enough. He cannot remain at large.
Oh, you afraid he might fuck things up even more?
I was on the Gentek team that developed that virus, Simon. In 1964. I will not see my life's work ruined.
What the hell was that?
Every living thing you consume makes you stronger. You take their shapes, and you take their memories.
I've heard you talking. I've seen your weird virus shit, but I haven't seen nothing that'll make me believe you over them.
No? They cut you, Heller. They put you in a cage with 50 starving infected, and then they tried to burn you alive. I didn't release the virus. And I didn't kill your wife and kid.
So what do you want? You want to fight them?
I want to destroy them. Blackwatch and Gentek and their virus. And I want your help. But there's something you need to do first. Gentek's been experimenting with the virus, making all kinds of infected creatures. You need that DNA. When you're ready, I'll find you. And for God's sake, man, put some fucking clothes on.
They're not looking for us at all, so we just keep doing this shit ain't causing me no problems, man. People feel scared, they want some security. They know.
Son of a... Viper, this is 2-5. I got artists in grid 1-9.
Copy 2-5, SOP, over.
Roger that, Viper. Okay, ass fucks, knees on the line, papers are mine. Come on. Captain, this place reeks. Permission to disinfect. Yep, I come to that. Hey, where are you going? Hey, are you hard of hearing? I said knees on the line, bro. I can see the target. Send for backup. I'll keep the...
God damn, this is gonna come in handy. All right, I should get to higher ground, find out where I am.
Blackwatch commanders, we have a missing Gentek test subject in the area. Name is James Heller. The specimen is black, bald, mid-30s, last seen in a leather jacket, and is extremely dangerous. If you encounter the subject, you are cleared hot.
Rattler out.
Yeah, you just try and find me, bitch. Wait a minute. I know this neighborhood. That's my church. Wonder if Father Guerra's in. Sure could use some spiritual advice right about now. Father, I'm not gonna hurt you.
James? That is quite a story. But I don't know why you've come to me.
I came to you because you know things, Father. You hear things. I came to you because I need your help.
Yeah. I heard a lot of things. Most of it bad. The infection. It just swept everyone away. I tried to help. I did everything. But then there was Blackwatch.
What did they do?
Rounded up the healthy, put them in camps, gave them the disease, put them in cages with the monsters. Some old friends and I, we tried to get them out, but they caught us and you do not fuck with Blackwatch.
I'll be happy to prove you wrong. If what Mercer says is true, I need to look into Gentek and Blackwatch. Who's in charge around here?
Fine. I don't know names, but I know there are 2 commanders at the hospital. They turned it into a command post. James, please, don't cause any trouble.
Father, if Blackwatch made the virus, then they killed Maya and Colette. What would you do? You tell me that.
Be careful.
What the hell was that? Am I fucking seeing things now? This ain't funny. Why's everything flashing? Son of a bitch. That's the guy I'm looking for. I've got viral sonar.
What's on your mind, Riley?
It's Dr. Koenig. All that sympathy he showed Heller, it was unprofessional and a little sickening.
Be that as it may, this is not the topic we discuss in front of the men.
Shit. William! The fuck are you doing in the command center? Get back to your post!
that old-ass Gentech guy that was doing tests on me back in the lab. I'll deal with him later. First, I gotta lose these assholes.
Viper 2, this is Rattler. Viper 2, come in. Shit.
James, did you find those commanders?
Found one. Other guy got away.
I don't know where he'd be.
Don't worry. I got something that'll track him down.
Viper 3, this is Rattler. We just lost contact with Viper 2. Roger that, Rattler. We're on body disposal details. Copy that. Keep your eyes peeled. Some psycho running around.
This might work better if I could see a little further. No idea why this works, but shit, it works.
Koenig's in for a rude awakening if he thinks Colonel Rooks is just another bureaucrat.
Hell, LT, I know better than that myself. My old squad leader got drunk one night, picked a fight with the Colonel. He's still in the hospital, last I heard, eating through his...
Maybe he was running his mouth like you are. Show some fucking respect.
Colonel Rooks. That's that fucker tried to have me killed back in the lab. Well, let's see if I can find him. Guess not. Still got no clue how this thing works. Oh, shit.
Smith, this is Catapult 2-4. Engaging hostile on bridge.